What's up guys? AI Zachariah here. I'm going to give you the exact prompt I use to write an entire book with ChatGPT4. So I just got done with this prompt. I've developed this prompt throughout ChatGPT 3.5. I've run multiple challenges using an older version of this prompt, but I just redid this prompt specifically for ChatGPT4, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to use it. Now, if you want access to this prompt and other prompts I use to write a book, make sure you comment bestseller in the comments, and I'll make sure to get those prompts over to you. Let's hop into it. Okay guys, I'm in ChatGPT now. I'm gonna go into ChatGPT4 and I'm gonna paste the prompt in here. Let's review the prompt for you. So it'll say, write this chapter. Your word count is 2,400 words. We wanna get about 2,400 words per chapter. To achieve this, we'll divide the chapter into, it's actually 5 sections of 600 words each. We'll label the chapter section 0, the first 600 words. Section 1, the next 600 words. Section 2, the next 600 words. Section 3, the following 600 words. Section 4, the final 600 words. So it's actually 3,000 words. Like I said, guys, I just got done with this prompt, so I'm still working on this. But you'll write this as a finished manuscript. Do not reference any word counts or descriptions in your writing. Stop after each section. At the end of the section 0, indicate that you're finished, and then it just gives a prompt to make sure that we're stopped. Okay, and then here's a format for a non-fiction book right here. So there it is. Okay, now I just press enter. Great, now it's asking for the chapter. So I'm gonna go, this is just one of my customers' chapters. So all I'm doing now is pasting the chapter and then the 4 points of that chapter, okay? And boom, there you go, you have it. It starts writing out the exact chapter for you in the format that you want. It's amazing. So let's go. ChatGPT4 takes a little bit longer, so I'm gonna speed this up. Another note, guys, is it's gonna give you the example, and you're gonna need to, as an expert writing a book, you're going to need to use this as an example, but write your own example. Obviously, it can be a testimonial for one of your clients, the problem they had, but this will get you started. Boom. In this chapter, we will explore the following points. The visionary queen, developing clear and concise vision for your empire. The courageous queen, overcoming fears, doubts to pursue your dreams. The confident queen, building. So these are the 4 points in that chapter. It's perfect. Now, all you have to do, because ChatGPT has so much memory, look, it stopped right there. There's section 1, done. Now you just go section 2, type in yes. Now it starts writing section 1 out for you. This is amazing. It's even going in and diving deeper of defining your empire's purpose. So cool. ChatGPT is really good with about 600 words, and that's why I'm breaking it up into these 600 word sections. Look at that. Now, start section 2. All I do is hit yes. The courageous queen. There you go. And I'm gonna check the word count, but I'm betting you it's anywhere between 400 to 600 words. There you go, 373 words. So close, but good enough for you to get a really rough manuscript and then expand from there. All right, guys, and like that, I have a finished chapter. Do that 12 times and you can literally have a book in 1 day. If you want access to these prompts, make sure you comment below bestseller, and I will make sure to get that link over to you. I hope this helps. I hope you're using ChatGPT4 to expand your own brand and your business. Make sure you comment other ways you're using ChatGPT4 in your business every day. We'll see ya.